Hey guys, Paul here with Putco. Today I'm very excited to show you our new blade direct fit kits. That's right, Putco's releasing a full line of kitted blades and harnesses to direct fit to most vehicles out there. Everything from your Jeep JL to your new Ford vehicles will come with a kitted blade and harness specifically for that vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, so it's the same blade you know and love, with our 5 functions being brake, turn, running, hazard, and our 3000 lumen white reverse. We also feature a chip on board LED placement, so you get that really nice thinly spaced diodes. There's about 2,000 diodes on a 60-inch light bar. That gives you that nice laser-like appearance. Also gives you that nice rich color temperature for your red, amber, and white. Like we mentioned earlier, this thing is going to be entirely plug and play with vehicle-specific SKUs. That means no wiring, no splicing, and no interference from your bliss system, trailer detect, backup assist, or trailering add-ons and options. This is all made possible by Putco's proprietary OEM connectors, to which we have exclusive rights. This means that all of your OEM connections, as well as your 7-pin and 4-pin, are left intact, and your 7 and 4-pin are still accessible. And because of low install time, it's a great product to stock on the shelves or have in the showroom. And because of Putco's patented clip set system, it's an easy product for the end consumer to install on their own as well. And otherwise, that's about it for our blade direct fit kits. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the links below for a link to our authorized dealer list, our dealer locator, and also our website as well. Thanks for tuning in again, and see ya.